Welcome back. Assalamu alaikum friends. Hope you are fine. Today this is our second class. In previous lecture we already see how to make registration form and we also register user in Firebase. So in this lecture, in this class, we are going to make login form. Okay, then we log out functionality. So I am giving demo user not found because okay, in here authentication there is no user yet. We have to register first, we log in, then go redirect to the user home page. Okay, I am doing register user. Okay, submit. It will take little time. So our user is registered. You can see here. Now our user is registered. Now it's time to make login. Now you can see this is a logout form and home page. Okay, if I click on logout, then we are logged out. So today we just going to show how to make login form. Okay, I am not doing code in front of you, I just explain how to achieve it. So in previous lecture we already see how to make registration form and how to do code, how to connect Firebase, okay, in our project. So this is my sign up form. Okay, in sign up I just make little change. Use navigate, this is React Router DOM 4.3 6.4.3 version I am using. So use navigate basically used to navigate user from one page, one routes to another routes. Okay, why I use here in sign up form. Okay, in sign up form, if I am already registered, so I just click on login, then I redirect to the login form. Okay, that's why I use. Here is the code link we import from React Router DOM link. This is the routes where we want to redirect the user, and this is class name and this is login. Okay, first I just explain React Router DOM. If you have a little knowledge about React Router DOM version 6, this I am using React Router 6.4.3 version. Okay, now method is changed. First in 6.4 version we use a browser route as a wrapper component. In 6.4.3 there is a new method. First we import React Router DOM 3 component. It create browser route, router provider and routes. Now I am using just these two properties: const router create browser routes. In create browser route we provide array. Okay, array there is a path and element. In element we provide component as a argument. Okay, and this is a path sign up and we provide sign up. This is a path home page, element home page. This is component. Okay, this I am importing component, these three files. Okay, this one is my sign up, this is login and this is home page. Okay, we are importing here. So in app.js use user auth context, we are using use context. That's why we wrap all the app. And this is router provider router, and we provide router as a component. It take all the routes and all the thing. Okay, this is my login page. Initially friends, we are just extracting three property from React: use effect and use state. These all are hooks. Import signup.css, it's a css file. Use auth, we are extracting from user auth context file. This is link and use navigate, extracting from React Router DOM 6.4.3. and this is component name login, user login. We use use auth extract user login, okay, from user auth context. Okay, I just show you. There is a function, sign up function, error, current user, user login and logout. We just extract here login. Okay, this is use state, store error and show error, error and set error. This is back error, not need now, but in future we use this. And this is user, we store user information, email and password. Okay, use navigate to redirect the user from one route to another route, mean one component to another component. User handler just is a function used to manipulate this state, user state, and store the data. Okay, update the information. This is submit handler. This is function to trigger when we press the login button and use to fetch data from Firebase if user is registered or not. Okay, we extract here email and password from user. User is use state. Okay, email and password, we check here. If email and password is null, then we throw error, fill all the field. Okay, so try catch basically use try if everything is happening good, is everything is going well, then these statements are execute in try body. If some error is happen, then we check error code and throw the error. Okay, await user login is function declared in user auth context. In future I will show you. Navigate used to move if user login successfully, then navigate a user to home page. Okay, if some error happen, error.code in Firebase to check error code. Auth user not found, this is code, means you are trying to log in, this user is not exist on Firebase database. Okay, user not found. Else if auth wrong password, if password is wrong, we show wrong password. In case something happen another, we just check these two error and show custom error, and else all the error is Firebase error. Okay, this is my HTML div. I also explained in previous class box. Okay, and here I am showing error. If error exists, then show error message. Okay, this is errors, this is a state here. Okay, this is a use state used to store error if error exists. Okay, and this is form use on submit handler form. H2 tag using a login form as a heading. This is two field only, use input, placeholder, text. We can here email. Okay, type email, we can placeholder email value, user name, email, on change user handler. In above we also explain user handler. This is a user handler. Okay, and this is input full type, password, placeholder, password, user dot password. Okay, on change function, when I press any key, this function is trigger. Okay, and this is my 2 paragraph. Do not have account, link sign up, forget password, link last name to forget. Still not created yet, but in future I will create this forget functionality as well. Okay, now I hope you this is my home page. We just extract use auth link and use navigate logout function from user auth context. Okay, this is, you can see, and try catch if user log out successfully, then we navigate to the user login page. Okay, there is button, logout function. Okay, and div class just show welcome to the home page. Okay, this is user logout function. When I click on login button, this function is trigger the user logout. It's time to explain user auth context. First I explain user login. User login, this is user login. Here I just return sign in with email and password. Okay, just return. And we auth is a instance of Firebase authentication data. Okay, and email and password we provide as an argument, and we return here. And this is logout, we just return sign out and auth instance. And this is my value, and this is user auth context dot provider children. Okay, now it's time to give you demo again. Email, password must be 6 character. Okay, if everything is good, then our user is registered. Welcome new user, create successfully. Now it's time to login. This is my login. Okay, welcome to the home page. This is logout functionality. I just click on logout, my user is logout. Okay, hope you enjoy the video. If you